Hey. Dito ka.
Sa
You drive. You wanna drive?
No.
Ha? Baliktad? Ha? Side mirror, no? It will get, spots. You sure you can get in? Yeah.
Wala. Oh. Napay motor bones
You want me
nasa
to kick the bike?
kilid.
Okay ra. Gamay ang dalan.
Gamay.
Ha?
Gamay ka ay. Murag para lang sa tuktok.
Okay ra sa imo ha atong tulgan way ano ipon. Init.
Really?
Wala
Are
lang.
you sure?
Balay lang yan. Balay, electric pan. Pero at
Oh.
least, yun ito makabayad sa
Oh,
ano.
electric pan, okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Simple lang ang buhay.
Ani. Op, op. Oh my God.
Wala na din sila ka ng hati sa ilang
Cairo, okay lang? Ha? Walang foam? Wala kang foam? Ha?
Sayang mo lang dala yung ano. Hindi na dala yung
Hala, motor.
hammock.
How about that?
It's okay. Yes, sir.
This here?
Okay.
Welcome! Welcome to
Bali!
Bali!
Canggu!
Bali.
Canggu! So we are here at Rivercrest Hotel Villas by Uncle Daniel. Uncle Daniel was absent. So number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slowly get the bags, boss. Ame, ikaw gunit, ano mo? Ituloy lang.
Da da da. Can you say dada? Dada. Can you say dada? Uy, tulala ka girl. Kuya. Smells nice. Hi. Baba, did you love something? This dog. Kelsa. Are you saying Ate Baba?
What's the nice place to go to? What do you think? Where should we go?
Restaurants.
I don't know.
sightseeing.
Ubod?
The temple.
Yeah.
Monkey Forest.
Yeah, let's go there.
When?
Maybe, yeah, I'll call. Atong imong kas. Pero,
Nadiri sa akong bulsa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
What's your name? Sorry.
Bing.
Floor.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Yeah, just thank you, miss.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
see you.
See you
Another day.
soon. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Make sure you have everything here.
Yeah.
Kuya, you're...
Oof. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Hello. Can we go? Yeah, so that's why. Pick it later. Oh. Ha? Okay ra?
Wow!
Okay ra sa'yo mo?
Wala.
Ha, inato lang?
Wow!
Ha?
Wow!
Yeah, nice job.
Nice, very nice.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you, cousin. Yeah, help me. Hello. What's your name? Nuni. I'm Bornok. I'm Daniel's friend. You have a nice place here, huh?
Oh my gosh, sabi mo walang aircon.
Ano?
Sabi mo walang aircon. That's rich.
Okay ra, ma?
Rich for a week.
Okay ra?
Yes.
Of course! Let's go upstairs. Guys, bring the camera. I wanna go up.
Yeah, go vlog.
I wanna go.
You vlog.
Hello.
Yeah, just like that.
Hello.
You have to video yourself, love.
Paano yan? Ganito.
What's up?
Look at... Oh my god! Look at it! It's wait, on. Hey. Let's sit down. Look at that! It's so nice. I stubbed my toe in the concrete. There's no third floor. Oh, I think this is master bedroom. Look at that. It shows welcome with flowers. Comfort room. I wanna go down for you. Dad, the camera's going crazy because I'm holding it
Okay.
while holding Ariel.
How was it?
So nice. I didn't see the top.
Hi guys, what's up mananap? And nandito tayo ngayon sa Bali, Indonesia. Kasama natin, syempre si Aria, si Mama Bing, si Beta, Cairo, and Mami Sheila. Yun. Napakaganda ng place natin dito. Ang pangalan ng lugar na tinitira namin dito ay itong Rivercrest Villas. Napakaganda. Check nyo siya pag pupunta kayo ng Bali. Well recommended kasi nasa Canggu lang siya. And the place is very beautiful. Malinis pagkagawa, napakaganda ng amenities nila. Kompleto lahat ng gamit, pupunta ka na lang dito at titira. Yun, shoutout nga pala sa owner Daniel Cohen and Jensen Riani. Thank you for the touch of details. Thank you. Thank you so much. Say hi. Hi. Canggu, Mama Bing. Let's go, Mami. Hindi, nagkalo. Hello! Let's go! Kain tayo. Blacklist coffee. Tagalog. Blacklist coffee.
Wala.
Nice kayo. Magkano?
Nice ah.
Kuya, pa. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Ah. Happy New Year! Hey, boss! Scroller! Uy, sorry.
Hello.
Ah. Happy New Year!
Happy
New Year.
Oh.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Come here, Beba. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Jump in the pool.
Do you believe yung ano,
Happy New Year!
mag-jump so that you can...
Pag nag-jump ka, tatagad ka. 6 feet.
Wow.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Yay! Fireworks!
Ala, like fire.
Happy New Year!
Yeah!
Yay!
Yay! Tangkad na si Arya. Yay!
Happy New
Happy New Year! New Year in Bali.
Countdown!
6-footer.
On top,
Alright.
top.
Go guys.
Happy
Happy New Year!
Yay!
Happy New Year! Yay!
Happy New Year!
Yeah, nasa
Hindi na pisa.
Go, Mami!
Go, Mom. Hold it tight, ha?
Wait, ma'am.
Ayaw kayo pataas. Ayaw kayo pataas. Di makita. Yay! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, I'm gonna... Happy New Year.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Jump, 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 jump. Go, Sol! Ready,
Baba! Happy New Year!
Tol! Go! Tol! Arya!
Happy New Year! Oh, Baba daw. Happy New Year! Go, go, go! 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! Ah! Oh my gosh! Ang daming fireworks!
Huh?
Whoa! I think we need to go upstairs. Whoa! Let's go! Wow! Grabe. Fireworks, tapos ulan, no?
Ligo ate? Ligo ate oh. Look oh. Huh? Where you wanna go? Huh? Where do you wanna go? Wanna ligo? Ah, gusto niyang buksan. Gusto niyang lumabas. Open? Open? Let's go, let's go. Open. Wow! Ooh. Wow! Lumapit sa akin, gusto niya pumunta sa pool. Ligo na. Ligo. Ligo na ikaw, baby. Ligo na.
Look at this bubble. Daddy, what mo siya?
Ha? Ligo ka? Ligo ka? So, maligo? Beba, oh. Get mo siya.
Ariya, Dad, yung clothes niya.
Tanggalin ko? Oh, halika, halika. Tanggalin natin damit. Arya, come. Come here.
Oh,
Arya. Come. Ayaw niya. Diretso na yan. Para may damit siya, hindi siya too cold. Sige, go. Sige, go. Ligo mo na siya. Go, baby. Ligo, baby. Happy. Mabasa. Ulan na, baka mabasa kayo. Careful, yung ears niya, huwag basahin. Mami! Wag daw, ano siya, wag. Grabe wala yung sakta mo.
Nervous? Okay lang. How was the traffic, the turns?
Stressful a bit.
Why? Why? Because there's a lot of cars, or what?
Stressful daw kay si Mama kulit kaya.
Oh, magana. Ano ba maghahapon na? Bakit gusto ko yung magpa-drive?
Murag na ay masagi, basa.
Kay dikit kay mga motor.
Ako ang ginaingon na sapa.
Dili dikit lang ilang mga motor. Manlok daw siya kay naibasig masakit.
Pero dili sapa ang kuan.
Liman. Nauna na ni mo na ba? Kani, kamusta yung New Year? Haria, how was your New Year? Happy? Ikaw, how was your New Year? Kamusta ang New Year mo sa Bali? Ha?
Very nice.
Antok ka pa?
Antok ka pa rin, even hindi na nakasakay ng motor.
Grabe ka girl. Antokin ka girl.
Do you like your ride sa Bali? Kasi
Tulog.
Matalito.
Ha? Sapatos. Anong dari man siya moagi dyan? Kalisod na kita ng balas.
Hindi kaya na kayo sapatos. Okay na kayo.
Jordan.
Why are you wearing shoes?
Yeah, right.
Kira kandalan.
Mom is getting up like
Yeah. Saan ginatanaw?
Ha?
Jordan.
Nakatulog ko.
Katulog ka karon.
Nakatulog ko. Tara.